Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I would like to share with you how I go about setting up my Google Calendar so that it can make it look like how it does here. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I would like to do is to create 7 different calendars in terms of the 7 subjects within the MCAT. Namely Bio, Biochemistry, Cars, Gen Chem, Org Chem, Physics Math, and Psych Soc. You can use this to plan out your term schedule as well, where you create different individual calendars for each of the modules you are taking. After I've created these 7 calendars, I like to color code them into different colors so that at one glance, I immediately know what I will need to be working on. I normally color them in pastel colors so there's a bit more soothing for my eyes. So this is just me adjusting and setting the colors for the respective subjects. If you'd like to have a nicer color scheme, you can always use color scheme generators like Coolers. I will link the color scheme generator in the description below. Next, you can create an event by dragging your cursor down to the desired number of hours. So in this case, I dragged this event to be 3 hours and 45 minutes long. During this block of time, I will specifically be working on Psych Soc. One thing that I have learned from blocking out a huge chunk of time is that I tend to be able to focus better for that block of time rather than splitting it into 4 individual hours. It has definitely helped me in increasing my stamina to focus for extended periods of time. I tend to use grey tones to indicate break times so that I know I will not be doing anything during that block of time. One other function I like about the Google Calendar is that it allows me to indicate the description of the event. So for example, I want to complete Anki subdeck 6A within the first study block. So I'll type it into the description section. This allows me to remember what I need to cover during this period of time without having to refer to another set of document, such as an Excel spreadsheet for example. So everything can be found within a single document. So yes, this is essentially how I go about planning my schedule on Google Calendar. If you have found this video to be useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more study related content. Thank you for stopping by Premediary today, and I hope that you have found this video to be useful. I'll leave you with this montage of me scheduling. Have a great and productive week ahead!